Stable Diffusion 3 Medium just got released. And now I want to show you guys how to use it. So you guys can generate images like this, and even like this. Now what's interesting is that these pictures look as if they were taken with a digital camera. They look hyper realistic. Not only that, this can be done completely for free and with Python. All you guys need is a Google Colab and some basic programming knowledge. Now, let's get started. So first thing you guys have to do is to get access or get authorization to this model. So you will be presented with a form where you have to fill in your name, your address, and different things. Once you guys have done that, you will also, and actually before that, you actually have to be signed up with Hugging Face, and that is to get an API key that you will find in your settings page and access tokens, where you can find a key. Once you guys have done that, you can go back to Google Colab. There is this key button over here where you can write in your HF token. This token will be used to download the model. By the way, I make similar videos like these on LLMs, machine learning, and other data science tools. So please feel free to subscribe. Now, let's actually do it in action. First things first, we have to install our packages. We have diffusers and accelerate. Now, just in case people were wondering, I am using Google Colab Pro Plus with an A100 GPU. If in case people were wondering. Now, once the packages are installed, now we get to import our packages. So we're going to first import Torch and diffusers, where we import Stable Diffusion 3 pipeline. And then we create a pipeline with our model. Now this one can be found from the Hugging Face hub, where you just copy this and paste it over here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to put the pipe to CUDA so you can utilize our GPU. We run that. And now we're going to create our prompt, which will be used to pass it to the model. So we have a variable and a string. We're going to tell it to generate a beautiful Instagram model in a nice dress. Of course, female, but I'm specifying it just to see what it generates. And now all we have to do is create a variable called image, where we have a pipe, prompt, a negative prompt. So something that you don't want to see in the picture, number of inference, and guidance scale. And then you have images, 0, and that's it. It's going to give some error logs over here, but just ignore it. Now we're going to call the variable image, and there we go. Here's an image generated by the Stable Diffusion 3 model. Of course, it could have generated a much better picture if I've had a detailed description and with some negative prompts. But yeah, there you guys have it. That's how you generate images using Stable Diffusion 3. Hope you guys found it insightful. If you guys did, please feel free to subscribe. I make similar videos like these. Alright guys, have fun playing with it, and I will see you in my next video. Have a nice day.